Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm really glad that you clicked on this video. Today I'm going to talk about something that has been on my mind lately. It may sound dumb to you, but for me it is kind of important and really deep. So yeah, sit back and enjoy. Okay, here's a little backstory. I recently asked my brother to get me some chewing gums and he forgot two, three times. And then, being the best brother that he is, he got me a bottle full of chewing gums. But here's the fun part, the chewing gums came in two different flavors, and one which I was familiar with and I kind of liked, and second which I wasn't familiar with and it was a new flavor and I didn't like much. So, guess which one I have been eating? You're right, the one which I don't like. And yes, I've been saving my favorite gum for later. And this got me into thinking that why do we do this? Why are we like this? Why do we treat small joys as if they need to be postponed? Why do we treat small pleasures like they need to be earned? And guess what? This is actually psychology. When we delay something that we enjoy, it's sometimes healthy and it's called delayed gratification. कभी कभार हम एक छोटे रिवॉर्ड को पोस्टपोन करके चाहते हैं कि हमें एक बड़ा रिवॉर्ड मिले। इस पर एक फेमस एक्सपेरिमेंट भी हुआ था इन स्टैनफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी इन 1970 एंड इट वाज डन बाय अ फेमस साइकोलॉजिस्ट वॉल्टर मिचेल एंड I'm sure you must have heard about the experiment. It was called Stanford Marshmallow Experiment. तो इसमें रिसर्चर ने क्या किया, उसने कुछ बच्चों को एक रूम में 15 मिनट के लिए रखा विद अ सिंगल मार्शमेलो एंड दे वर टोल्ड कि वो ये मार्शमेलो ना खाए, अगर वो ये नहीं खाएंगे तो उनको एक रिवॉर्ड मिलेगा इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ईदर अनदर मार्शमेलो और अ प्रेटजेल स्टिक। तो इट वाज बेस्ड ऑन बेसिकली देयर प्रेफरेंस कि उन्हें मार्शमेलो चाहिए था कि प्रेटजेल स्टिक चाहिए। And later, the research showed that the kids who waited developed stronger self control. So, technically, me saving my favorite chewing gum for later might look like discipline. But here's the twist, sometimes it's not discipline, sometimes it's conditioning. A lot of us grew learning that enjoyment comes later. Finish your work first, eat your food first, पहले 10th करो, पहले 12th करो, पहले वो करो, ये करो। अगर तुम पहले ये करोगे तब जाके तुम्हें रिवॉर्ड मिलेगा, तब जाके तुम खेल सकते हो, तब जाके तुम घूमने जा सकते हो, तब जाके तुम वो कर सकते हो जो तुम चाहते हो। And slowly the brain starts associating pleasure with guilt. मतलब हमें आदत हो जाती है कि pleasure is something that needs to be earned. It's not something which can come without any effort. अब अगर कभी ऐसा होता है कि प्लेजर कम्स विदाउट एनी एफर्ट, विदाउट अस डूइंग एनीथिंग, हमें लगता है कि समथिंग इज फिशी, समथिंग इज सस्पिशियस, एंड देन ओवर टाइम गिल्ट कम्स. So instead of enjoying the thing when we want to, when it comes to us, we feel guilty and we don't enjoy it at the time. So we postpone it for later. That अब जब मैं कुछ करूँगा या जब मैं कुछ करूँगी इसको earn करने के लिए, तब जाके I will enjoy this thing. We save our favorite chewing gum for later. We save our favorite dress for later. We save our favorite perfume for later. हालांकि वी सेव आवर स्टेशनरी फॉर लेटर जो कि हमें पसंद होती है फॉर दैट परफेक्ट मोमेंट कि हम उस दिन यूज करेंगे, इस दिन यूज करेंगे, एंड ट्रस्ट मी दैट परफेक्ट मोमेंट नेवर कम्स। हमें ऐसा लगता है कि ये चीजें हमें अभी उतनी खुशी नहीं देंगे जितनी तब देंगे जब हम इनको हासिल करने के लिए कुछ करेंगे। As if joy checks our productivity before entering our lives. It's so funny. Psychology also talks about something called scarcity mindset. It says that when we believe that something is good, limited, rare, or hard to access, we try to preserve it. एवोल्यूशनरी टाइम से ही ह्यूमंस को ये आदत थी कि जो भी अगर कोई यूजफुल चीज़ होती थी उनके पास, फॉर एग्जाम्पल फूड, वाटर या वार्मथ, दे यूज टू प्रिजर्व इट। क्यों? क्योंकि उनको लगता था कि क्या पता ये चीज़ फिर से उन्हें मिले या ना मिले। And that quality kind of retained in us. Even though we can just buy another pack, we try to preserve the older one. And mind you, this is not just about the chewing gums, this is about the fear of running out of something good. But here's the real question: what if small joys are meant to be experienced now and not stored for some perfect moment which might never sound perfect enough? And I just realized something, that if I keep saving my favorite flavored gum for later, I'm training my brain to delay happiness, and maybe that's not always healthy. And no doubt self control is powerful, लेकिन खुद को खुश करना या letting yourself enjoy without earning it, या without struggling for it, is equally important. So today I'm going to have my favorite chewing gum, not because I lack discipline, but because I deserve to enjoy what I love without any condition, and maybe you do too. And another reminder, this is not about the chewing gum. Favorite for later. गलत उठा लिया. I might sound crazy talking about chewing gum. Reward की इच्छा रखते हैं. इच्छा? What is that? Oh my god.